Welcome back on Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel. This is the 15th video on University of Sindh series. In this video, I'm going to share entry test syllabus for bachelor's degree programs 2025 University of Sindh bachelor's degree program. So here we go. Section 1 English 30%, and in 30% there will be similar and opposite meaning of words, correct spelling, questions on correct spelling, active voice, passive voice, direct and indirect speech, tenses and prepositions. I have already uploaded videos on these, and sample paper I will upload soon. Stay connected. For general knowledge, section 2 general science 20%, basic knowledge of science, physics, chemistry and computer. I will suggest you to focus on grade 6 to 10th these subjects, especially science from grade 6 to 8, physics, chemistry and computer from class 9th and 10th. So here we go. Section 3 general knowledge 20%, world knowledge, Pakistan studies, Islamiyat. We have a playlist for these all subjects. You can watch videos and that will help you for the preparation and also for entry test. Section 4 simple arithmetic 20%, simple arithmetic, fractions, percentage, average. So videos are uploaded on Rati Educational Academy for the preparation as well. Section 5 intelligence questions 10%. These questions will be based on word problems and shape problems. I will upload the sample paper soon. Stay connected. In previous videos, I had uploaded the entry test solved paper for, that was conducted in 2018 and 2019. Get idea from that video as well. I have already uploaded the past papers, sample papers and entry test preparation material for these universities. If you want to get idea from other universities, just comment. I will upload the videos soon. For universities admissions, scholarship awareness, entry test preparation, jobs preparation, subscribe to the Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, TikTok and WhatsApp. Thank you.